Hello Beyblades, this is Flame Leone 2300 here, and our next unboxing is Extreme Touch System Tornado Battler. Let me get my phone up for a sec. Tornado Zurafa. Looks pretty cool. Right there, Beyblade Extreme Top System. Tornado Tip Attack Sounds. Tornado Battlers. See the code sheet right there. Designed for angle attacks and awesome battles. And again, Extreme Top System. There's the sticker of the WBBA. Ages 8 and up. Let's turn it to the back. Ooh, sorry guys. Again, designed for angle attacks and awesome battles. With tornado tip attack sounds. And there's the other Beyblades you could get. I got all of them so far, so yay. And I also got the Bolt Blast Stadium. I think that's what it is right there. Can't tell. Yeah, it says Bolt Blast Stadium. So I got everything on this list. So let's get unboxing. My phone. Sorry guys. Dropped my phone for a sec. Let me just get my... Let's get this out. First I'm going to get the red card out. Here's the ripcords and everything, a nice brownish. Let's see, let's get that hole. Sorry guys, I know this is taking a while. Man, this ripcord doesn't want to get out. There we go. Here's the instructions. Right here. I'm not going to open it up because it's going to say the same thing like any other instructions will. Here's the ripcord. Nice brownish color. And a brown string for the ripcord. And let's get Tornado Zurafa open. And here's the code right here. Hold up, let me turn it around. Go to BeybladeBattles.com. And here is, oh, it looks pretty nice too. Tornado Zurafa. Oh, let me turn it around. To me, it looks like the Italy sticker. Sorry, I mumbled a little. Because it's like red, yellow, and green. So it looks pretty weird. But it looks pretty hot though. It looks like the tip is like a jog ball. Which looks cool, actually. Just the side of him right there. And here's the top again. Show it from the angle perspective. So just like that. So yeah, I'm gonna also be doing videos with these battle videos with them. I'll probably let it go against Tornado Striker, like you saw in my last video. So yeah, this is Flame Leone 2300. Also subscribe, like my video, and comment, and peace out.